This is a video on foundation design for a tall building in SAFE software. Open the SAFE software, go to File menu and choose New Model and input the design data, which is design code is IS 456 and 2000 and units metric default and modify show the design preferences. Code is IS 456, the factor of safety for steel 1.15 and gamma concrete, the factor of safety for concrete 1.5 times, and the minimum cover we need 50 mm in top and also in bottom, and preferred bore size, say I want to select 22 and click on OK. Again, minimum cover to the beams, OK, check, it's not required. Choose grid only option. Here the number of grids in number of grid lines is say 19 and in y direction also 19 and keep the spacing as 1 meter in both directions and click on OK. Now the grid is formed. Let us go to define materials first. Add new material. That is M40 concrete for foundation. The material type is concrete and weight per unit volume say 25 and the shear value say modulus of elasticity say 32,000 Newton per mm square and Poisson ratio 2 and coefficient of thermal expansion is 0.55 and the shear modulus it's okay, and the concrete cube strength, it is FCK is 40. Let's click on OK. Again add OK. M40. Next add new material, say HYFT 500. This is rebar and click on here. The FY value is 500 and FU value 545 and click on OK and click on OK for reversal. And now let us go to define elements. First slab properties, which add new slab property, say mat footing on slab material M40 type mat. The thickness, put the thickness as 600 and click on OK. Next, go to define columns. Here add new property, say call C 500 by 500, material is M40 and say 500, click on OK. Go to define soil subgrade properties. Here let it as soil 1 and modify show property. Here subgrade modulus is 3 into 10 power 4 kilonewton per m cube. Click on OK. Again click on. Now go to define load pattern, which is dead load 1. Click on. Again load cases, static OK. Load combinations, add new combinations. Combination 1, add dead 1.5 and another live load is also 1.5 and choose strength ultimate and click on OK. Again add new combo, these two, choose dead as 1 and choose live as 1 and select service, all 3 services, click on OK. Now the next part, draw slab column and design strips. Go to draw menu, draw slab areas. Here the type of object slab, property mat footing, straight line, edge or straight. Draw the slab. The slab is drawn. Close this box. Okay. Here the slab is selected. Go to edit areas for expand the area. Offset value is 2000 mm. that is 2 meters. Click on OK. The foundation area is extended by 2 meters on each side. Now let us draw column. Draw columns. The property column 500 by 500. The property above C 500 by 500 and height below 0, height above 2 meters. Now locate the columns. All the columns are drawn. Now go to draw design strips. Design strip A. Now start with left 4 meters. In all sides. In strip layer B. Here also all the values are 4. Now draw vertically the strips. Now all the design strips are drawn. Now our next part is assigning the properties and loads. Click on footing area, go to assign support data, in which soil properties, soil 1, click on OK. Next, select columns for assigning the loads. Go to assign, load data, in which point loads. Here dead load, load in the gravity direction, the load from the column in tall building frame is 1200 kilonewton gravity load, and the size of punchings here is 500 in x direction and 500 in y direction. Click on OK. Again, click the columns to assign live load. Now 16 points selected. Go to assign load data, in which point loads. Change the name live. The live load from the columns are 750 kilonewton. Punching shear size 500 by 500, then click on OK. Now to check, OK. OK. Now the dead load and live loads assigned. Now in this design option, the rebar material is HYST 500. Let's click on OK. OK. Now this is strip. Change the rebar material to HYST 500. Here. Okay. all the rebar materials are assigned to the strips. Now our next part is run analysis. Go to run analysis. Here name the file as a tall building design foundation. Tall building foundation design. Save. The analysis is over. Now go to run analysis and design. Go to display, show punching shear. Here the punching shear values are 0.81 and 0.80 like that. Now it is saved against the punching shear. The design is over and the next part is interpreting the result. Interpretation of the result. Go to display, so slab forces, stresses, load, apply, so slab design, impose minimum reinforcing option. The details will be displayed like that. We can see all the design details. With this we can finish the design. Thank you for watching.